Hello and welcome. This is Rajesh Gurule, and we are discussing mostly asked questions when it comes to my performance-based consulting for real estate. So the question that we are going to find or discuss answers to is why, as a builder, why I should pay your your performance based fees on every sale. Can we pay on the sales that are done through your activities or your references only? So the question is, can we pay you only part of or only X number of sales out of all the sales which are coming through your activities? So that is the question, and my answer to that is there are 2-3 things that I want to answer with respect to this particular question. The very first thing is it's going to be very difficult to differentiate the sales from where that sale has come and what is the source of that sale. Another thing, and which I believe is most important and we should discuss before anything else, is I or my team is not going to sell anything. We are going to work as your marketing department. We are going to work as part of your marketing department. We are going to work as part of your sales department. We are going to work as part of your finance department if you choose, and we are going to work as conversion improvers when it comes to improving bookings. So when we are saying that we will be part of your entire marketing department, then what is going to happen is this: whatever strategy, whatever tools that I will be devising for improving your marketing department, then that will be applied to all your inquiries, all your leads, irrespective of from what channels they are coming. They might be coming through your channel partner real estate agents, or those leads might be coming from your existing customers' references. But that marketing is going to be applicable for entire range of customers, irrespective of from where they are coming, from which source they are coming. So they may be coming from newsletter ad, or they may be coming from online ads, or they may be coming from channel partners, or from your billboards. The marketing that we will be doing, the marketing strategies that we will be implementing, will be used across your entire company's marketing efforts. So let's say I write certain strong headline, then that headline will be used across all medias, not only in offline, but it will be used in online also. It will be used in your other marketing material also. It will be used in your offline marketing efforts. It will be used on your presentations. So we are going to be integrated with your entire company, and it is not possible to differentiate the efforts, because those are going to overlap, those are going to be integrated in everything that your people are going to do, whether it be marketing or sales or payment related or conversion related. So everywhere those strategies are going to be implemented. If the person is coming from 10 other sources, then I won't be saying that use this presentation, or I won't be telling your sales executive ki don't use this presentation to for X, A, B, C and D customers. Use this only for these last 3 people. Or don't show this, or don't use these conversion tools for these 2 customers, 2 visitors. Why? Because they are not coming through the sources that I have used. We won't be doing that. One salesperson will be handling 100 customers, 100 site visitors, and all those salespeople as well as all those site visitors, all those inquiries, they will be getting every strategy properly delivered. Everyone is going to be trained. All those customers will get same kind of treatment, behavioral. All those customers will be entertained by your sales executive who are trained by me and my team. It's like, we will be, you are water and we are, kind of color. When you pour some color into water, you cannot take out color from water once it's mixed. Same way, you won't be able to differentiate my efforts from your team's efforts. That's why it is very impractical to even start thinking about that. And that's why if you are not comfortable with my performance based fees on all sales, then we won't be working together. Please understand this, because humanly it's not possible to differentiate your efforts from my efforts, your team's effort from my team's efforts. They are going to be like, color in water. There is no way we can differentiate. Another thing is that will create, when we start doing that, that will start creating confusion, which may lead to trust issues and clashes between you and me. My entire focus will be on to prove that somewhere this customer's name has came into, through the activities or through anything that I or my team has done, and from there that customer's first occurrence was there. Your entire focus is going to be on doing exactly opposite of what I am going to do. You will be trying to find out where that person first came into your entire sales process, and that is not, I believe, working together. We will be working exactly opposite of each other, and that makes it tremendously difficult for me to work with. I simply cannot work effectively, properly, happily in that scenario. So if that is the concern you are having, then probably this program is not for you. Because simply, if I am not enjoying the work, I am continuously looking after your shoulder and you are continuously looking after my shoulder, that is not teamwork. I want to be part of your company in, that certain area which will be limited to sales and marketing. If we are looking continuously for how to find relation to each and every customer, then when and how we are going to work on the improvements that we want for our salespeople. So that is another thing. There will be clashes in that case. Another thing is, whatever tools, whatever procedures, whatever marketing, whatever sales training we are going to do for your entire marketing team, your entire sales team. We are not going to restrict it to only 2 persons who will be handling everything that I am going to tell you, and they won't be doing anything that you are going to tell them. No, that is not going to happen. If I devise one tool, implement it, then if you are having 5 salespeople, then that tool will be used by all 5 salespeople. If each of them handles 50 customers in a month, then that all those 250 customers, site visitors, will be exposed to that conversion tool or any other. This is just an example. Now in that case, how can we say that that person is not converted via that sales process, via that sales tool, via that sales strategy, or via that sales training that I imparted? So it's simply not going to work. If you are uncomfortable, if you are having any queries, questions, concerns, then we need to discuss those. But if that is not the case, that you don't want to pay on all future sales, then probably my performance based consulting is not right thing for you. And in that case, incidentally, we won't be working at this point of time. I am very clear on both of these things. I don't want, instead of cooperation, we will be competing with each other rather than competing with our competitors, other builders who are taking share, who are snatching your customers. We will be fighting with each other, which I don't want to happen. I don't want to go on that path. So if you are not comfortable, we'll stop at this very moment. Last point I would like to mention as far as this my PBC fees being applicable to all future sales is, I am not charging you commission. Okay, I am not sales agent that I am going to charge you commission. I am having fixed fees. So let's say up to 50 lakh properties, I am going to get only this much fees. From 50 to 1 crore, this fees, or whatever the slabs we have discussed. If you compare that fees with soul selling companies or even with your real estate channel partners, then you will find that that is less than half of what they are charging you. So if you are not comfortable after looking at the value that I am going to add into your entire company in all of your departments, sales and marketing related, then you will see that that fees is very less compared to the value I am going to add. And that is the feeling that with which I am coming to you. And that is the feeling with which I want you to welcome me. If that value addition based fees, it's something that you are not comfortable with, then it's not going to work. So these are the 3 things I just wanted to share with you when it comes to my fees being applicable on all future sales. So the answer to this question, why pay your PBC fees on every sale? Can we pay on the sales that are done through my activities or my efforts? The answer is no. My performance based fees, which is very small, is going to be applicable on all future cells, and that's why I have kept that fees at a very small amount compared to any other source that you may be entertaining, and I'm very clear on that. So I hope I have you answered this question. If you have any question, any queries, any concern and still doubtful about this, please feel free to get in touch and we will discuss it in more details. Thank you. Have great selling. Goodbye.